Here's a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. Composed, confident, and capable in its design, this Impala always makes an entrance. The athletic and proud stance is impossible to ignore, and the spacious interior leaves room for everything. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. AM/FM satellite radio, power windows, dual-zone climate control, power mirrors, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, touring suspension, and remote engine start. Chicago Tribune writes, flip and fold rear seat cushions expose a stowage compartment large enough to hold a laptop computer or a slim purse. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Family-owned and operated Thayer Chevrolet Toyota has been exceeding expectations since 1935. We're conveniently located at 1225 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.